Good morning, friends. 10th English Medium, Social Science, Chapter number 17, Economic Problems and Challenges, Poverty and Unemployment. Indian economy experiences many serious and complex economic and social problems such as population growth, price rise, black money, poverty, unemployment, starvation, corruption, terrorism, etc., among which economic problems like poverty, unemployment, price rise, population increase are major problems. Out of these, we shall study about poverty and unemployment. What is poetry? What is poverty? Poverty. A large number of people are deprived of satisfying their basic and essential requirement of the life such as food, cloth, shelter, education and health services. I repeat, what is poverty? A large number of people are deprived of satisfying their basic and essential requirement of the life such as food, clothes, shelter, education and health services. Such a situation is known as comprehensive poverty, and people living in such a condition in the society are called poor. People living below poverty line, BPL. Poverty is a qualitative concept. In India, poverty is viewed as lowest level of life. Common feature of people living below poverty line are as follow. Person who is not able to get 2 meals a day. People suffer from problem of unavailability of dwelling place. Next, they are forced to live in a shabby and slum areas. Next, their economy is very low. Their income is less than a determined expectation income. Next, their lifespan is less than national average life expectancy. Next, generally they are illiterate. Next, they often suffer from various diseases due to lack of nutritious food. Next, children who have taken up the responsibility of looking after the family at the age when they are supposed to study. Death rate is high due to malnutrition. Effort made by the government to improve living standard of people living below poverty line. Next, income of people living below poverty line is very less in cities as well as in village. Such families are called anti family or families living below poverty line, BPL. After finding out such families, government has started public distribution system of the basic of the ration card. These shops are called fair price shops. Every month they fulfill the requirement like rice, wheat, sugar, oil, salt and kerosene such as for such families. Next, it has tried to raise their living standard. So, concept of poverty was first propounded by director of WHO. For calculating poverty line, certain factors are considered, which include expenditure on food, clothing, accommodation, education, health, clean drinking water, electricity, sanitation facilities, transportation facilities, and income as well as the intake of calories. On the basis of this factor, a particular standard of living is fixed, which is known as poverty line. The concept of poverty line changes according to time, location, and circumstances.